from the same glaze, I did the test for Model 2, and there I removed the frits and I replaced that in all other kinds of frits I had in my atelier. There you can see. Okay, this is the. This was actually the same glaze like in the Model 1, white shiny, a little bit dripping. This is the glaze without replace the frit in frit 40 51. I replace it in frit 15.2. It's a little less whiting, but also less. It's a little bit matte shiny if you compare it with this one. This is more shiny with the frit. And these are a little more matte. Frit 3134 is also matte, whiting, a little less whiter. It's not melted yet. The frit 3221, I replaced it, is more shiny, more wider. Kali Veldspad, for instance, I replaced the frit. Well, it's totally not melted. Strange. Maybe it is for higher temperature without. I think there is no boron inside. Maybe that's the difference. But I fire with 1160. But my cones, you see, my cones are not reach the temperature. Dolomite, I replaced Dolomite. Maybe do the other bits first. The Gerslibar Borat is also shiny, less wider, but also a good alternative for my frit 51. Frit 2953 is a little bit matte, a little bit satin, a little less wider. And Nevelin Zenith, well, sorry, you lost the contest. You are totally not melted. Maybe also less of boron, like Kali Veldspad, both matte. And another test I did is replacing the wollastonite and the strontium carbonate with two other RO. And this is the dolomite I replaced. And this is still it's very matte, not a little bit white, but very matte. And zinc oxide. This is also the zinc oxide. Maybe was a little bit less glaze. Is also matte white. Okay. What can I say for replacing a frit 4051 to get almost the same results? If I use all those ingredients, maybe the frit 221 is. Can you compare most of it? Most glossy, less dripping. Also a little bit white. That is also good for the coloring. Okay, thank you very much.